Hi, hello, this is Giri. Teaching 10th Mathematics. The chapter is a pair of linear equations in two variables. And exercise 4.1 solutions part 4 video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 4.1. Dear students, this is question number 3. Neha went to buy some pants and skirts when her friend asked how many of each she bought. Neha answered, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants, and also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Find the number of pants and the number of skirts. I shall repeat. Neha went to buy some pants and skirts. When her friend asked how many of each she bought, Neha answered, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants, and also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Find the number of pants and the number of skirts. Here we have to find two values. One is the number of pants and the second is number of skirts we have to find. Okay, we have to find the number of pants and the number of skirts. In order to find these two values, we have given two conditions. The first condition is the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. This is first condition. The number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. And the second condition is the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. The number of skirts is 4 less than the number of pants. Okay. Now, in order to solve this, in order to find these two values, number of pants and skirts, we have given two conditions. Basing on the two conditions, we have to frame two linear equations. Okay, that is a pair of linear equations we have to form, and after forming the linear equations, we have to solve them to find the number of pants and skirts. Okay, therefore, let us look at the solution now. Dear students, here what to find? Here we have to find the number of pants and the number of skirts. Therefore, let us assume that the number of pants is equal to x and the number of skirts is equal to y. Here we have to find the number of pants. Therefore, let us assume that the number of pants is equal to x. And we have to find the number of skirts also. Therefore, let us assume that the number of skirts is equal to y. Now, let us write the first condition. The first condition is the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. It is given that the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. Please keep in mind, less means you have to subtract. Twice or times means you have to multiply. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Okay. More means you have to add, and parts means you have to divide. Here, the number of skirts is denoted by y is equal to, let us frame an equation now. Number of skirts is equal to, number of skirts means y is equal to twice number of pants. Number of pants is x, twice means 2 times. 2 times of x is 2x, and 2 less means minus 2. Is it clear? Look at this equation again. The number of skirts are equal to, means number of skirts y is equal to 2 less than twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants minus 2. Twice means 2 times. Number of pants is equal to x. 2 times of x means 2x. Since it is, this value is 2 less, means you have to subtract 2 from 2x. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. In general form, let us write x and y terms at LHS and constant term on RHS. Therefore, let us take this plus 2x to other side. Then plus 2x and at LHS may become minus 2x plus y. Minus 2x plus y is equal to this minus 2. Since x has negative sign, let us change the signs of all LHS terms and RHS terms. So that this is minus 2x may become plus 2x, plus y may become minus y, and minus 2 will be plus 2. Therefore, the first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is the first linear equation. Similarly, let us consider the second condition. The number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. It is given that the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Again, number of skirts may be denoted by y. Therefore, y is equal to 4 times the number of pants. Number of pants is x. 4 times means you have to multiply this number of pants with 4. That is 4 into x. And 4 less means minus 4. Is it clear? Y is equal to 4x minus 4. And let us take this x term to LHS. Then this plus 4x at LHS may become minus 4x plus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, again you can find that x term has negative sign, therefore let us change the signs of all the terms in both LHS and RHS. Dear students, then minus 4x may become plus 4x, plus y may become minus y is equal to minus 4 may become plus 4 by changing the signs. This is the second linear equation. Now we got a pair of linear equations. The first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2 and second linear equation is 4x minus y is equal to 4. We have two linear equations and we have to solve them in order to get x and y values. We have two linear equations and we have two unknowns. Therefore, let us find the values of the unknowns x and y. In order to solve this, if we observe the first equation coefficient x coefficient is 2 and in second equation x coefficient is 4. Therefore, let us multiply the first equation with the 2 into 1. Why? In order to equate the x coefficients. In order to equate the x coefficients, let us multiply the first equation with 2. Then 2 into 2x is 4x, 2 into y is 2y, 2 into 2 is 4. And let us write the second equation below this. Second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 4. By subtraction, plus 4x minus 4x may be cancelled, minus 2y, and if you subtract minus y from minus 2y, it will be minus 2y, minus of minus y may be plus y. Minus 2y plus y is minus y is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. If minus y is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. Okay, we got y value. Now let us substitute y value in equation 1. Here we got y is equal to 0. And let us substitute y is equal to 0 in equation 1. By substituting y is equal to 0 in equation 1, 2x minus y is equal to 2. Here y is 0. Therefore, 2x minus 0 is equal to 2. And if we subtract 0 from 2x, we got 2x only. 2x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. What is meant by x? X means the number of pants. Therefore, number of pants is equal to 1 and the number of skirts is equal to 0. Is it clear, students? Good. Now, let us solve another question. This is question number 4 of exercise 4.1. Dear students, this is question number 4 of 4.1. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and number of girls in the class. I shall repeat. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls. Here, let us look at the solution. In order to solve this, I shall repeat, we have to find the number of boys and we have to find the number of girls who participated in mathematics quiz. Is it clear? Okay, we have to find two values. Therefore, we have two unknowns. In order to find these two unknowns, let us frame two equations first of all. In order to frame the first equation, the condition is the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. And 10 students of class 10th took part in mathematics quiz. The first condition is 10 students of class 10th took part in mathematics quiz. Means the number of boys and number of girls is equal to 10. That is the first condition. And the second condition is the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay. Now, in order to find this, let us assume that the number of boys is equal to x and the number of girls is equal to y. Clear? We have to find number of boys and the number of girls. Therefore, let us assume that the number of boys is equal to x and the number of girls is equal to y. It is given the first condition that the total number of students who took part in the quiz is equal to 10 students. Okay, therefore the total number of students who took part in quiz is equal to 10. Total number of students means both boys and girls together, means x plus y. X plus y is equal to 10 and this is equation 1. X plus y is equal to 10. Now let us frame the second equation. In order to frame the second equation, the condition is the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of girls, it is given that the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Here number of girls means y is equal to 4 more. More means we have to add number of boys plus 4. 4 more than number of boys. Number of boys is x. Since it is 4 more, we have to add 4 to x. Therefore, y is equal to x plus 4. Let us bring this x to other side. Minus x plus y is equal to 4. By changing sign, x minus y is equal to minus 4, second equation. Now let us write the first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 10, and let us write the second equation below this, x minus y is equal to minus 4, and let us add both the equations. If we add means x plus x to x plus y and minus y may be cancelled, that is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Or x is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. By substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, x plus y means 3 plus y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10 plus 3 other side minus 3 and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. What is x? X value is 3. And what is y? Y value is 7. Therefore, x means the number of boys is equal to 3 and y means the number of girls is equal to 7. You see, therefore the number of boys is equal to 3 and the number of girls who participated in the quiz is equal to 7. Is it clear, students? Very good. Thank you. Thank you one and all.